Smart walking stick using Arduino Nano. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konak Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of smart walking stick using Arduino Nano from Samuel Sheikh, Vikas Kumar Vivek and Kushal Rohilla. This intelligent mobility can leverage microcontroller-based systems to enhance navigation safety for the visually impaired. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand about the basic overview of smart walking stick using Arduino Nano. So, let's get it started.
Konak's Research, subscribe now.
Hello everyone, this is Kushal Rohilla.
This is Vikas Kumar Vivek. This is Samuel Sheikh.
We the students of CSE 3 are here to present our project Smart Blind Cane. Our project, there are many features like obstacle detection using vibration motor and fall detection and many other features which makes it a full-fledged IoT device. We divided the work into three parts: designing, software coding and hardware implementation. Vikas did the software cane designing and the assembly of the cane. I did the software coding and Samuel implemented the hardware using Arduino Nano and PCB.
So, as explained by Kushal, we have two options available in the market. One, the cheap option, which is a non-smart option. Another, which is a smart option, but it comes with a hefty price. There's a large market gap between these two solutions, and we aim to get the middle ground between those. Our solution is more towards the cheaper side, but it comes with all the features that come in the smart ones. Our solution has three major features: omnidirectional object detection, vibration through vibration motors. Second is fall detection to alert the family members and the nearby people. And third is IoT integration. With more time investing on this, we can integrate IoT features like a software which can help the family of the blind person accurately locate him as well as send him messages or keep track of him. It has IoT features like vibration on obstacle detection, alarm for fall detection and SOS to family in case of an emergency, and has a lot of scope to integrate more IoT features in the future.
This is Samuel. I am going to explain our MM project. So basically we have created a cane for blind people. The cane consists of three parts: a vibration motor, a cane and a main electronic component with a battery. And it also has a feature that allows it to detect the tilt. Means basically if the person accidentally drops this cane, there will be a buzzer or alarming the surrounding people or the owner of this cane, that indicating its location, and he can pick this up and use it normally. So I'm going to show you how the fall detection of our system works. Basically a person will use it like this, but if this falls like this, then it will produce an alarming sound. So now we are going to see how the vibration part works, which shows the direction. See this component, and this is the ultrasonic sensor. There are three directions which it can detect. As we go there, you can feel the vibration from here. It is the vibrator motor that sends the signal, indicating that there is an obstacle in front of it. If I go in this way, it will create vibration in this part. And in this part, there are three main directions that is used. Basically, this direction won't be used, and by this a blind person can freely navigate its way in this open area.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
Konak's Research, subscribe now.